So in this video I am going to solve the solution which was recently asked in Codeforces around 898 rated for division 4. So first let us understand the problem statement. So the name of the problem is C target practice. So what problem I said that we will be given a grid of 10 by 10 such that it will be having some target scores on some points. For example, on the outermost edge the target score is 1. If we hit a target on this edge or any of this box, then my target is 1. But if my score my target at any of these position, you can see, then my target will be 2. Similarly, this for this it will be 3, then 4, and then 5. So we have to tell if I hit the target on I or j, ith I column and jth row, then what will be my score. So here you can see the sample test case. So if my score my target is here, then what is my score? If here, then what is my score? So we have to sum of overall sum of overall the sums, and we have to tell them what is the resultant points the user will get. So let us begin the problem solution. So here you can see for this row my answer is always 1. You can see for this row my answer is always 1. So you can see in this row you can see my I is always equal to 0, or my I is always equal to 9, or my j is always equal to 0, or my j is always equal to 9. So you can see this condition is always satisfied, or you can see this condition cannot ever come in any other case. For example, this case the left boxes are these boxes, so my this configuration will never come in any of the other boxes. So first of all I have to check if my I is equal to 0, or my j is equal to 0, or my I is equal to 9, or my j is equal to 9, which means my I is at 0th column, or my ith is less my at last column, or whether my jth is at first column, or my j is at last column. So this is the first condition which you have to check. So what if my score is at next position, which means what if my score is 2, which means it is among this one only. So for this it is also simple. By checking for all ones, you can see if my score is 2, then my I will always equal to 1, and my j is also equal to 1, or my I is or my j is always equal to 8, means 1 minus this, or my j is always or my I is always equal to 8. So you can see, which means at this position, at this row, my I is always equal to 1, or my j is always equal to 1, or my I is always equal to 8, or my j is always equal to 8. If any of these condition is satisfied, then I will simply add 2. Then similarly for 3, I will increase my j is equal to 2, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2, and decrease my this position, which is equal to 7 and equal to 7. So this is the whole problem solution. If I show you the code, it is pretty much simple. So you can see first of all I am taking the input and checking if my current position is x, then I will check if my ith column, if my I is equal to 0, or my j is equal to 0, or my I is equal to 9, or my j is equal to 9, then I will add simply 1 in my sum. Else if I will check if my I is equal to 1, or j is equal to 1, or I is equal to 8, or I is equal to j is equal to 8, then I will simply add 2. Similarly, by decreasing 1 in I, and also decreasing my end part, I will simply check for all the conditions and sum of all the answer. So this is the problem intuition. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.